Hi, I'm Bia, and this is my third video on Google Analytics Basics. This is about user behavior. So what you're going to do is you're going to get into your main screen, click on Behavior, and you're going to go to Site Content, All Pages, and you'll very easily be able to see what pages people are going to, and you can compare year over year and month over month. So here up in the right hand corner is where you can set your custom date range. So I'm going to say April 1st till today, and I want to compare that to the previous, let's say the previous year. So this is really good, especially for seasonal businesses, that you want to compare what your last spring was like in comparison to this spring. You're able just to see exactly which pages people are going to. Color trends, citing color trends is one of the top pages. Last year at this time we didn't have that page, so that's one of the highest improvements. You'll see an infinity percentage. And then you'll see this is just the home page if there's a slash and nothing beyond that. And kind of take a look at all of that. Otherwise, you can compare even just over a month. So let's say, what was this like last month? Take a look at that. And you'll be able to see page views, unique page views, and average time on site. All of these different things across the board. And then another cool thing that you can check out is on the acquisition page. This is on the far left-hand corner. You're gonna say all traffic. Source medium. So this is the source of all the traffic that's coming to your site. And you can see here, Google organic traffic is the highest for this website. And for a year, this is month to month. So from last month to this month, they're up 9.7%. Direct traffic, so someone directly putting in your URL. And this is a really good way for you to see, especially if you're getting a lot of referrals from social media. You can dig through kind of which one is giving you the best return on traffic. So if you've gotten 1,000 page views from Pinterest in 1 month, that might be a good spot to double down. And for this specific site, the organic traffic is the highest, so that is a good area to keep pushing. So that is our third video on Google Analytics. Stay tuned for our next one. Thank you.